one.
So talk to me about overtraining and what that does to like your hormones and stuff, because I know I have a problem sometimes with trying to do too much.
Okay. So when it comes to overtraining, you do have to be very careful because your food has to support the amount of exercise you do or activity, however you want to put it. And if it doesn't, then your hormone levels will adjust to fill those gaps. So you'll kind of run off of them in a sense, and also stress your body out. So it'll create a little bit of metabolic damage. So your metabolism won't speed up, it'll actually slow down a little bit because it's not meeting the need. And then over time, well, actually, the other thing that'll happen is when your hormone levels are off, you're not going to really lose weight or be in your ideal best energy level, shape, strength, all of that stuff. So when it comes to overtraining, you really do have to, it's more of a nutrition piece of it to it. You can overtrain as an athlete very easily just because they push to a higher level, but a common person, if you're overtraining, it's mainly because your workouts are probably not intense enough in all of it, or you're just like kind of slowing yourself down and you're looking for like longer lengths of stuff to do. So the easiest way to kind of cure overtraining is number one, either look at the nutrition side of it. The nutrition side isn't working with the overtraining side or the exercise side. And the key factors to doing that are called biofeedback. So you look at, I'm working out this amount, I'm eating this amount of food, how do I feel? Do I feel my mood is like happy and great? Do I feel my clothes fitting differently? Do I feel my strength is increased? Do I feel that I'm becoming tighter? Is my libido in check? All that stuff, is it good or bad? And you just ask yourself those biofeedback questions, and it'll let you uncover if you're overtraining for the amount of food. And then all you do is just change a variable. So you'll change a variable back. So work out a little bit less, eat the same amount of food. If you don't want to work out, like an athlete looks at it as they can't work out less. So they're going to increase the volume of food to support it, right? And then they're just going to look at those key biofeedback determinations to see if it's negative, I need to eat more. If it's positive, I'm right on it. You know, in a general pop situation where general people are just working out, you would want to cut the exercise back because you're probably not going to be too diligent on the eating aspect as much. So then you would just cut back the exercise a little bit to see if it matches the nutrition. And if it doesn't match the nutrition, then you'll have to change the nutrition at some point. It just depends. Again, there's a lot of variations in it and factors. So that's like the simplest answer to talk about like overtraining. Athlete's totally different than a general person. So with an athlete, they're gonna increase their nutrition to support the amount of load. As a general person, you just want to bring the activity down a little bit and increase the intensity, and then work on your food with it.
So